What's up, business buddies? In this video I'm gonna explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is follow plus invitation plus 4 messages. As I mentioned on the preview, follow your prospect's LinkedIn profiles, then send an invitation, and in the last send 4 messages, meaning you will follow your prospects, and then you're gonna send a connection request, and if accepted, the 4 messages will be sent. You can create the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. Now you're gonna choose the list of your prospects. You can either add all the prospects or select one of them from the list. This is the follow that will be sent. Next is the invitation. Then you must select the delay you want between the moment your prospects accept your invitation and your first message. It's up to you to see what you prefer. You're gonna type now your message, and it's always better to insert your variable. Now it's the delay between the first message and the second message. And then it's the same process. You select the delay between the messages and you type your message. And here you go, your campaign is created. Thank you so much for watching.